Are you ready to start your schoolwork?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not your pencil. Where's your green pencil?
I don't know what my green pencil is. I have no idea where it is.
Where's your green pencil?
I don't know where it is.
Try looking over there next to the tissue box.
Tissue.
Do you see it there?
Yeah, I see it.
Now get that manila envelope right there.
Oh.
Yep, that's where your schoolwork is. It's in this envelope right here.
Yeah.
Now then, we looked at ants, bees, and butterflies in science class. Where does the comma go?
Not here.
Yeah, well, that's number 1. We got that one right. There's a comma right there. Let's go to problem number 2. Where does we looked at ants, bees, and butterflies in science class? Where do you think the commas go? Between ants and bees?
Yeah.
What about bees and?
Yeah.
That's right.
The sentences. The battle government and this charge of writing and enforcing laws.
The 3 levels of government. You have local, comma, state, comma, and federal.
In here. Out 3. Here. It's clever. He sometimes got into. He had one time when said now he had some. He had lost a whiskey bet with a tortoise. Had sold up all of his hand.
Good job.
And to pay off the debt bit here and his wing were very handshake idea. Bear open one eye and drink to you this partner. You see it. You don't need this day. Alright, in front of your house, I do the hard work Clinton. The hard medicine can't split a port right down the middle, yes. Work, get it back together. Work.
Good job, buddy.
Sleep. It's that butter. You got to you be bare ass. The top of pile. Your boy. Come on.
You're reading good. Good job.
Well, let's see there at yours.
Put the glass on the top shelf because your sister may break it if it's on the bottom. What's the opposite? The bottom's down here. What's the opposite?
The top.
Top. So, if it's at the bottom, that means it's the lowest, right?
Yeah.
So what does bottom mean?
Top.
No. That's the
Down.
antonym. So it's the lowest one, right?
Yeah.
Danny is so clever, he would never do a silly thing like that. What's the opposite of clever?
Clever.
What's the opposite of it?
I don't know what's the opposite.
What does clever mean?
Clever means... I don't know what clever means.
Smart?
Smart. Yeah.
So if clever means smart, what's the opposite? What's different from smart? Which in this sentence?
Silly thing.
Yeah, it's silly. The cat was asleep, but the dog was awake. What is the opposite of asleep? If you're not asleep, then you're
Awake.
right. What does asleep mean?
When we sleep.
Hmm? Good job.
Months after planting the seeds, the farmer can harvest the corn. Harvest means, what does harvest mean?
I don't know what harvest means.
Yeah, it's a tricky word for you, Gavin. Harvest means to pick
Pick.
Or gather.
or gather.
Pick
What's-
or gather.
What's the opposite of that? Months after planting the
Months
seed.
after planting the seed.
Which one? Not months.
Planting.
Planting. Planting means putting it in the ground. Harvesting means picking it up out of the ground. So that's putting in the ground. This is getting it out of the ground.
Getting.
Do not scatter the papers, but gather them into one pile. Gather means what?
Gather.
What does it mean?
I don't know what gather means. I don't have no idea what gather means.
Let's read it.
It's it.
If I told you to go outside and gather me up some acorns, what would you do?
Gather acorns.
But what does that mean?
That means
To.
What would you do? Would you go outside and how would you get?
plant the seeds.
No, gather some acorns.
Gather some acorns.
What are? Okay, how about this? What if I told you I needed 3 Legos? Go gather me 3 Legos.
Go gather me 3 Legos.
What would you do? Would you go and
Go in.
what would you do?
I will go outside
No.
and
Legos down here. If I told you
Get 3
gather
Legos.
gather me 3 Legos,
gather me 3 Legos.
what would you do?
I'll play.
Would you hand me 3 Legos?
Yeah.
That gather means to get
Yeah.
and bring to me, right?
Yeah.
So what's the opposite of that?
To bring. Yeah. Get. Bring.
No.
To
What's the opposite of gather?
bring.
No. Gather means bring.
Bring.
So what's the opposite of that? That's in the sentence. Do not scatter
Papers.
papers. No. Papers is
No.
this right here's a paper. What's the opposite of gather? If you're not going to bring it, what's the opposite?
And to.
No. What's the opposite of gather? Gather means grabbing it up and bringing it to me.
Yeah.
What would be the opposite?
I don't know.
Read the sentence. Do not. What does do mean? Do not scatter the papers, but gather them into one pile. Would it be scatter?
Scatter.
Bless you.
Oh. What does scatter mean?
Scatter means, I don't know.
Does that mean mess up?
Mess up.
Yeah, that's the opposite of gather up.
Yeah.
You look so nice when you smile that you should never scowl. What's a scowl?
What's a scowl? I don't know what's
Look
a
at me.
scowl.
Is that upset? Look
Yeah.
upset? So a scowl is looking upset. What's the opposite of looking upset?
Looking upset is mad.
No, but what's the opposite? Different.
Different. Smile, I don't know.
Smile. Scowl looks sad or upset. Smile looks happy.
Smile looks happy.
Whisper the secret in my ear. Don't holler it out loud. What does holler mean?
Holler mean
Don't holler it
Big
out
and-
loud.
out loud.
Yeah, does that mean loud?
Yeah.
Yell?
Wow.
It means yell. What's the opposite of yell?
Ear.
No.
No, that's a body part.
No.
So this is the opposite.
Yeah.
So what is it?
The opposite of wow.
What word? So what word is the opposite of holler? It's in the sentence. Whisper the secret in my ear. Don't holler it out loud.
Don't holler it out loud.
What's the word?
What's the word?
Starts with a W.
Whisper.
Whisper is the opposite of holler.
Think we're doing Tuesday.
Are you want us to go ahead and do Fridays as well, Crystal?
No, y'all don't have to do Friday.
Okay, we got one more page then, buddy.
Okay.
Thursday. Write the possessive form of the underlined noun in each sentence. So what would you do to make this?
Yeah.
What would you do to it?
Make it as sentences.
But
Apostrophe?
apostrophe yes.
Apostrophe yes.
The wind challenges the sun's power. So what should I do?
Sun.
Sun,
Make it apostrophe yes.
apostrophe yes. Which one can remove a man coat?
Apostrophe yes.
Apostrophe yes.
When.
The man feels the wind chill and he buttons his coat.
Wins.
Wins.
And yeah.
He pulls up his coat.
Coats.
So coat plus
Apostrophe yes.
apostrophe yes. That's right.
Cropped. Well.
We will work together as blank to build a business. Work together as what?
Partners.
That's right. Okay.
You're done.
There you go.
High five. You did good.
Yeah.
Clip his nails. He's clipped too. Oh my goodness, you're clipping your fingernails. You're doing such a good job. Did you do it? Did you do it? Let me see. Let me see your fingernails. Oh my goodness, you clipped your fingernails for the very first time. You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you. Wow, that was awesome. Hey guys, we're back with the vlog. I'm actually sitting here right now at Wingstop in Fort Payne, Alabama, waiting for some Wingstop chicken, which is like super awesome. I'm shooting this video right now on my LG G6 phone. I love it. This is my favorite phone. I've stuck with LG products probably since around 2008, 2010. Just because I really like LG. I've had the LG 2, I've had the LG 4, and now I have the LG 6, and I'll probably get the next latest LG, so that's how much I like LG better than Samsung or iPhone, because LG to me does the job, and it's Android, so you can't go wrong with Android, in my opinion anyway. But anyway, I'm thinking about chicken, so yeah, way to go Wingstop. Outside view, I am in my car, so you're looking through the windshield, but as you can tell, it's actually got a halfway decent image on the video. So I mean, it's not like, it may not be a GoPro camera, but it does the job, and I really like it. I've never really talked about my phone before and what I use to film, but this is what it looks like when you're on your, camera facing outward, and you saw the image of the face camera. So actually, I'm really pleased with this. Although today we went to Walmart and hold on a second, let me switch back to face camera. We went to Walmart and I got myself a tripod. Actually, I got a selfie stick, yesterday at Ollie's, and I got myself a tripod at Walmart. So I'm starting to slowly build up my collection of video gear or vlog gear. So I'm hoping that it won't cost me more than like $300 or $400 when it's all said and done with, because I'm gonna get a GoPro camera or something kind of like a GoPro camera, like the T31. So there's that, the cost of that, and then I'm gonna get some headgear. I'm gonna get some gear for my arm, and maybe like some kind of a mount for like something I can use to mount in the kitchen, or a bicycle or something like that. But oh, and also waterproof, because we're getting a pool. So that's another thing that I want to be able to vlog, is us actually going out and having fun in the pool. So I want to get something waterproof too. But yeah, so these are all the things that I've been thinking about for the last several weeks. Is, you know, what do I need to, you know, kind of up it up on my vlog. So if anybody has any ideas, just, you know, shoot them out there at me, because it would be really helpful. And side note, Walmart, believe it or not, actually has some wicked awesome swimsuits. I mean, I saw at least 2 or 3 swimsuits that I want. They're super cute and colorful. I'm the kind of person that likes coral colors, and I like stripes, polka dots, and they have all kinds of swimsuits like that right now. And I'm just dying to go and buy me like 2 or 3 swimsuits, because we're getting a pool, and I'm so excited about it, because it's going to be great. It's going to be fun. I can work on my tan, and I can also get some exercise, which I desperately need some exercise. So but I just wanted to shout out to Walmart. Y'all have some amazing swimsuits this season, so definitely be looking for me to come in there and probably buy like half of whatever swimsuit selection you have, because they are super cute this year. I mentioned that everybody is outside waiting at Wingstop because of the whole COVID-19 coronavirus. So basically everybody's standing outside in line waiting for their order. My husband is that guy right there next to that column. He's got his back turned to the, oh, he's waving. So yeah, he's waiting in line for our order. But yeah, thanks a lot, coronavirus, because now everybody's having to wait for their order outside, and it's been raining off and on all day today. So this kind of sucks. After 40 minutes of waiting. Yay, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Finally.